City Garden Chronicles. Today I'll do a brief overview of our garden. It's mostly a vegetable garden with most of the plants in a galvanized steel metal planting bed. It's roughly about 5 feet long, 3 feet wide, and a foot high. The kale plant. We planted the kale sometime very late last year. Currently, it's 2 weeks past due for harvesting. It literally gives us something every week. The rate at which it keeps reproducing its leaves is quite astonishing. We have the green peppers growing quite. We had a good harvest last year from 3 plants. Hopefully, we will be making a lot more this year as we have a lot more planted. The tomato plants. We currently have 5 of them going well so far. Last year, we had only 2 doing well out of a lot that we had planted, mainly because I reckon the soil we use was not good. In this bed we have the maize. The kind of maize we have planted is not the sort that you find in this country. What's in this country tends to have a lot of sugar in them, and we brought some from our home country, Ghana, and that's what we are trying to plant here. The fig plants. This is one plant that tends to produce a lot of fruits. It literally forms or creates a fruit between the leaf and the stalk. So everywhere you have the leaf attached to the stalk, fruits from there. This is a 3-tier planting bed. In this bed we have potatoes, different varieties of spinach, some parsley, and some carrots as well. The top bed has the potatoes and carrots. A number of the carrots did not germinate. The middle bed has some of the spinach. We have 3 varieties of the spinach in there. And we have the parsley as well in the middle bed. A close-up shot so that you can see better the carrots and then the parsley. The bottom bed has some of has some spinach in there, and we had, you see, 1 carrot in there. This was accidental. I think the seed dropped in during planting, and it's grown. But we are not taking that out. We are going to leave it to go to its maximum capability. Let's move on to the other side, which has 2 beds. What we are looking at now is the bed which has the onions. Quite a number of onions planted in there, all doing very, very well. At the very end of the bed to your right, you don't see anything growing there. I expect a very bumper harvest for the onions. And lastly, we have the cocoyam. This cocoyam is planted mainly for the leaves. The reason we have it mainly for the leaves is that the tubers are very, very small, so you can't get a whole lot in there, but the leaves are really big and they are great for your source of vitamin A in making your sauce or and putting them in your dishes as well.